Welcome to our channel. I'm glad to be part of our 5 facts. Hello, nature lovers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are setting our sights on the gentle and elegant doves to explore their dietary habits. I'm your host, and in this episode, we will take a closer look at what these beautiful birds love to eat. Doves are symbolic birds known for their grace, beauty, and peaceful demeanor. With their soft cooing calls, they have become beloved symbols of love and tranquility in cultures around the world. So, what do doves eat? Doves are primarily classified as granivorous, meaning their diet revolves around seeds and grains. Their beaks are well adapted for consuming seeds, and they have a special gland called the crop that aids in the digestion of these nutrient-rich foods. Seeds form the bulk of a dove's diet, and they are particularly fond of a variety of seeds from grasses, weeds, and plants. Sunflower seeds are one of their absolute favorites, providing them with essential fats and proteins. Doves are also known to enjoy eating seeds from millet, corn, safflower, and wheat. In areas where bird feeders are available, you'll often find doves happily feasting on seeds provided by birdwatchers. While seeds are their primary food source, doves also supplement their diet with fruits and berries, especially during the warmer months when these natural treats are abundant. Fruits like berries, cherries, and grapes are among their favorites, providing them with essential vitamins and natural sugars. In addition to their regular diet, doves have a unique habit of consuming grit and gravel. They use these small, hard particles to help grind and digest the seeds they consume. This process aids in breaking down the tough outer shells of seeds and enhances their overall digestion. In conclusion, doves are peaceful and gentle birds with a diet primarily focused on seeds and grains. From sunflower seeds to a variety of grains, they find nourishment in the abundance of nature's offerings. So, the next time you spot these elegant creatures in your garden or nearby, take a moment to appreciate their simple yet essential dietary habits that contribute to their well-being and presence in our lives. I hope you enjoyed this fascinating insight into what doves eat. If you found this information interesting, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more captivating content about the wonders of nature. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Your support means a lot to me.